Hello children, good morning and welcome back in my channel Vidya Niketan, and I am Sunita Srivastava. Children, today I am going to sharing a short paragraph writing with you, and the topic is good manner. First of all, let's see here introduction about good manner. Good manners are very necessary in life as they help us to behave well in the society with people, as well as help to maintain smooth, easy and positive relationship. Good manners help us to win the hearts of people and give us a unique personality. Good manners make us a person of pleasing and obliging nature, which is genuinely loved and appreciated by all in the society. What are good manners? A person with good manners shows respect towards feeling and sentiments of people living around. A well-mannered person never differentiate people and show equal regards and kindness to everyone, whether older or younger than him. Modesty and courtesy are the essential traits of well-behaved person. He or she never feels proud or arrogant and always take care of the feeling of other people. Practicing good manners and following them all through the day bring happiness and add qualities to one's life. He or she always remains mentally happy as good manners enrich his or her personality. Teaching good manners to children is a responsibility of a parent and teacher, as the former are the bright future of a nation. Leading by his or her own example is the best method to teach. Lack of good manners among the youth of the country lead them towards the wrong path. Practicing good manners costs nothing but pays us a lot all throughout our life. Some of the examples of good manners are: thank you. We must say thank you whenever we receive anything from someone. Please, we must say please while requesting for something from others. Excuse me. We must say excuse me while getting attention for something. We should always support people who are in pain. We should always accept the mistakes and say sorry without hesitation. We should be disciplined and punctual in daily life. We should always compliment others for their good behavior and qualities. We must listen to people very attentively. We should take permission before touching or using the thing of someone else. We should always respond with a smile to others' question. We should never interrupt between the meeting and conversation of elders and must wait for our turn. We must be respectful to the elders, whether they are members of our family, relatives, neighbors, parents and teachers. We must knock on the door before entering others' home or bedroom. Conclusion: in the last, good manners are vital to us for getting popularity and success in life, as nobody likes. तो आपने देखा, गुड मैनर्स जिसे हम अच्छा व्यवहार कहते हैं, सुव्यवहार कहते हैं, वो हम सब में होना कितना ज़रूरी है और उन्हें हम कैसे लिखें। अगर आपकी ये प्रॉब्लम थी तो अब ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं रही आपके लिए। चलिए, गुड मैनर्स को देखकर अपनी नोटबुक में लिखिए और अपने एग्ज़ाम के लिए इन्हें याद कीजिए। थैंक यू बच्चों, मिलती हूँ अगले वीडियो में अगली टॉपिक के साथ। थैंक यू, बाय एंड टेक केयर।